Today I'm gonna to continue to talk about chapter 2, that is elementary programming. The first content of this chapter is name constants. And a name constant is an identifier that represents the permanent value. The value of a variable may change during the execution of the program, but a name constant or simply constants represents permanent data that never changes. The word final is a Java keyword for declaring a constant. And for example, we first step we declare a final data type constants name equal to value, and then final double pi equal to 3.14159, and the final int size equal to 3. This is example for the final data type. At the first step, we also compute the area of a circle. The different thing is this step is to declare a constant. Final double pi equal to 3.14159, and this step is same as calculate the area that is assign a radius. Then we need to compute area. Double area equal to radius multiplied by radius multiplied by pi. And the last step is display the result. It's also same as before. For the question to you is what is the benefits of the using constants? Let we think about 1 minute and to answer this question. What's the benefits of using constants, how to get the advantages to using the constants? We can get a word, right? So we can think about it. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of using the constants. The first benefit that is you don't have to repeatedly type the same value if it is used multiple times. And also if you have to change the constant's value, for example from 3.14 to 3.14159 for pi, you need to change it only in a single location in the source code. And the third benefit of using constants, that is a descriptive name for a constant, makes the program easy to read. And the naming conventions. To to choose meaningful and descriptive names, and then variables and method names. Use the lowercase if the name consists of the several words concatenated all in one. Use lowercase for the first word and capitalize the first letter of each subsequent word in the name. For example, the variables radius and the area and the method compute area. And the naming convention also included the class names, capitalize the first letter of each word in name. For example, the class name compute area. Also, the constants capitalize all letters in constants and use underscores to connect words. For example, the constants pi and the max value. Reading numbers from keyboard. Scanner input equal to new scanner system in. Int value equal to input next int. The method, we also repeated it again. The method of next byte means read an integer of the byte type. The next short reads an integer of the short byte. Next int reads an integer of the int type. Next long it is read an integer of a long type. The next float reads a number of the float type. The next double means reading a number of the double type. If you enter a value with an incorrect round-off format, a runtime error would occur. This is numeric operators. The plus mean addition. For example, 74 plus 1 equal to 75. Also 34 plus 1 equal to 35. This is minus, mean subtraction. For example, is 34.1 minus 0.1 is equal to 33.9, and this mean multiply, and the meaning of this sign is multiplication. We can get 300 multiplied by 30 is equal to 9,000, and this one is divide, meaning division, 1 minus 2, not minus, 1 divided by 2 is equal to half. This one is percentage. It's meaning remainder. For this example, 20 percentage 3, it's for the normal one is we can get 6, and the remainder is 2. So this operator means remainder, and the remainder of the 20 percentage 3 is 2. Integer division, plus, minus, multiply, division, and the remainder. For example, 5 divided by 2 is an integer 2, and 5.0 divided by 2 is a double value 2.5. 5 remainder 2 is 1. The remainder of the division, this division, we can know the 5 divided by 2 is equal to remainder 1. So the remainder is 1. So like we finish this class today, and let's see you next class. Bye.